Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to design a logo with grid. In this video, I'm going to design X logo by using grid. You can also make others designed by using the same way. So make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information you find it in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Now copy the lines by hold Alt. And take total 14 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Now select all lines, and group it. Now copy the lines. You can easily copy by pressing Ctrl 2. You can also copy like that. Go Object, and select Copy, again go Object, and select Paste in Place. Now rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, that's good. Again select the lines, and copy it like before method. And rotate it 45 degrees like that. Also reverse the 45 degrees the lines like that. Okay, that's good. Now I will design my logo on this grid. So first select all lines. And take Shape Builder tool. And select the fill color. Okay, now I will draw my design on the grid. Carefully watching how I design my logo on the grid. In the middle of X, you have to keep 3 lines like that, otherwise your logo will not be match. Keep watching. You can also design another logo on this grid, but for that, you have to think how you can design your logo on this grid. Carefully watching. Now I increase the speed of the video part, because it take long time to fill this small gap. When you will design, you have to carefully fill your grid, otherwise your logo will not be perfect. Okay, I have completed the design. Now I move the logo above from the grid. But for that, I need to first ungroup like that. After ungroup, hold Shift key, and select the design like that. And now move the design. Okay, that's good. Now delete the lines. Now select the design, and increase the stroke color. After designing logo on grid, try to increase the stroke color of your design, because it gives your logo more beautiful. After increasing the stroke, now need to make your design expand, and make united. OK, for expand, go Object, and select Expand. Now select Pathfinder, and select United. OK, that's good. OK, now take a rectangular tool, and draw a rectangular equal to your artboard. Also send it back like that. And lock the background like that. Now select the logo, and give it white color, so that we can understand the design. So friends, this is the today's logo design tutorial on grid. You can design lots of logo on grid by following the process. If you face any problem to understand the tutorial, please let me know your valuable opinion in the comment box. Thank you.